Hi everyone. Here's the working OneUI 8 official weather app, now available for non-Samsung users. Let's start with the app itself. The UI has been completely redesigned, featuring more lifelike weather animations and a sleek blur card layout that fits perfectly with the OneUI aesthetic. Everything looks cleaner, more detailed, and visually appealing. Based on current weather conditions, the animations changes accordingly. Looks really cool. Moving on to the widgets, there are three types available, and based on resize, it changes the design accordingly. To install the app, just install the APK like any regular app. To access it, either add it through widgets or enable it from app settings so it appears in your apps list. That's all I wanted to share in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.